Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So welcome back to another video about Harmony, guys. In this video I'm talking about the price update of Harmony, and absolutely I'm doing a short time price prediction for all of you guys. So let's start the video, guys. But if you're new on my channel, or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly I request everybody to please subscribe now for more news and update videos, guys. At this time, guys, if you talk about the right now price of Harmony, so first of all, everyone, congratulations to all Harmony holders, because as you can see here, the price of pancakes Harmony 1 is completely bullish, guys. The price is going to the moon, so very congratulations. Now the current price is about 0.272483 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Harmony. Unbelievable, crazy changes. And you can see here latest update is also positive. That's mean, guys, now prediction is clear of Harmony. The future move of Harmony is clear. You know what, guys, after a long time Harmony start pumping, so obviously they have to continue this pump for a long time, guys. You know what, that's why my prediction is also positive about Harmony, and I believe that for a long time Harmony will continue this pump. So let's see the price chart for short time. Wow, you can see, guys, from the beginning of a month, you can see, guys, going straight to the moon, and I believe that to the last of October, for a long time Harmony will continue this pump. It's crazy, guys. They are already in the pumping mode, guys, so just hold, never decide to sell. It's profit opportunity, never miss this opportunity, guys. Anyways, what do you think? What's your feeling about Harmony? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.